What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going on another adventure in the south of France. I believe we are off to the village Aires and we might be going to a few more villages along that way as well, but I'm not sure we're going to have time because we have already left this so late. It is currently 3 p.m. and I don't know exactly how much time we're exactly going to have. So I think it's going to start with Aires. Not sure what the day is going to look like, but you guys will find out. So let's go. So guys, we just literally had the craziest bus journey ever. Literally, he was like throwing us side to side. It was actually mad. But definitely check the bus times before you come. Jesus, because we were waiting an hour for that bus. And I don't know if that's going to be worth it. And the last one's at 6 and it's like 5 now. So I don't even know how this is going to go. We'll work it out, I'm sure. But yeah, this is all a bit mad. But look at the view. So worth it. I momentarily lost the other girls, but I'm in the tropical garden now and this is the view. It's €3.50 entry for students and then €6 for everyone else. But look at that, it's so worth it. So the whole garden is just incredible and we've now found this waterfall. It's so nice. And look at the view. I know nobody is this side anyway because everyone's taking photos of the other side, so this is all for us. So we have found the waterfall and you can literally sit in these crazy chairs that are like over the water, which is so nice. So definitely explore the exotic garden more than just the sort of areas with the views that everyone goes to, because there's hardly anyone exploring these areas and it's actually massive and you know, you paid for entry so you might as well make most of it. But literally this is our view. Insane. Guys, we are currently on the bus back from having a lovely meal all together. Hi! We just had a nice little drink at that incredible viewpoint, like over the sea, over the rest of the south of France. It was incredible. I highly recommend going to Aires if you can, but it was a little bit difficult to work out in terms of transport. We are currently also on a bus back to Nice, which is the 112 and the 82 go back to Nice at a later time. Then the other bus, the 83, literally the last time that leaves is at 6, and then that's the only time to get back to anywhere kind of going east. So that's just something to know, because Aires seems to be a difficult place to get to later at night, but we've had a really nice time. I'm probably just going to head home tonight just because I might be doing some fun stuff tomorrow and I don't know. But yeah, it's been really good fun, and yeah, if you've got any questions about Aires then do message me. I think I will be coming back just to do the hike at some point, but I'll probably be vlogging that too. Like and subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.